In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a schedule in Google Calendar. First, let's start with the very basics. You will need to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you typically use. Once your browser is open, you will need to search for Google Calendar. Simply type in Google Calendar in the search bar and hit enter. This action brings up a variety of links, and it's crucial to locate the official Google Calendar link. This initial step is essential because it sets the foundation for accessing your events and managing your schedule effectively. Once that is done, click on the correct link that appears in your search results. The first result is usually the official Google Calendar page, which will take you directly to your calendar interface. It's important to ensure that you select the link that leads to the Google Calendar website, as this guarantees you are using the official platform. This helps to avoid any potential security risks associated with third-party sites. After clicking the link, you should see the familiar Google Calendar layout with your events displayed. Now you will need to log into your Google account. If you are already logged in, you will be taken directly to your calendar. If not, enter your email and password to access your account. This step is crucial as logging in allows you to manage your personal calendar and make necessary changes to your events. Once you input your credentials and hit enter, your calendar will load and you will be ready to make edits to your schedule. Next up, find the specific event you want to remove. This can be done by scrolling through your calendar or using the search feature. Once you locate the event, click or tap on it. Doing this will bring up a pop-up with details about that specific event. It's important to click the right event because deleting the wrong one can lead to confusion later. After you click on the event, you should see all the event details clearly displayed, making it easy for you to confirm that this is indeed the event you want to delete. After confirming the right event, look for the trash can icon on the interface. If you are on a mobile device, you may see the option to select delete instead. This icon represents the delete function, and clicking it allows you to proceed with removing the event from your calendar. This action is important because it initiates the deletion process. Once you click the icon, you may notice a brief confirmation or reaction from the interface, indicating that it has registered your action. Now, a menu will prompt you to choose the deletion scope. This is a key moment in the process. You will have options to either delete just this event or all events in a series. Selecting this event will delete only the single instance you selected. On the other hand, choosing all events will remove the entire series from both your past and future schedules. Understanding these options is essential because selecting the wrong one could result in losing more events than intended. Take a moment to think about your choice before proceeding. With your choice made, confirm the deletion and watch as the event disappears from your calendar. This action ensures that your calendar remains tidy and reflects your current schedule. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that the event has been successfully removed. Keeping your calendar organized helps you manage your time more effectively and reduces the clutter of unnecessary events. Remember, managing your calendar is an ongoing task. Regularly reviewing and deleting old or irrelevant events can help keep your schedule clear. This will make planning your future events much simpler and more efficient.